Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. In today's video, we'll be diving into the latest developments in the Malaysian crude palm oil (CPO) futures market. On December 4th, Malaysian CPO futures extended their upward trend, marking a second consecutive session of gains. The benchmark palm oil contract for February delivery on the Bursa Malaysia Derivatives Exchange saw an increase of 47 ringgit, or 0.93%, reaching 5,122 ringgit per metric ton by midday. This upward momentum has been largely fueled by robust performance in Dalian vegetable oil futures. Let's break this down further. On the Dalian Commodity Exchange, palm oil contracts rose by 1.07%, and soy oil saw a modest increase of 0.05%. However, in the United States, soy oil prices on the Chicago Board of Trade dipped by 0.57%. This contrasting performance highlights the diverse market dynamics affecting global vegetable oil prices. Despite these gains, the strengthening of the Malaysian ringgit, which appreciated by 0.13% against the US dollar, has capped further price increases. A stronger ringgit makes palm oil more expensive for international buyers, potentially impacting demand. Looking ahead, the market eagerly awaits the November poll, which includes insights from planters and analysts. This poll will play a crucial role in shaping expectations for palm oil prices in the coming months. Now, let's turn to the demand side of the equation. India, a major importer of edible oils, saw its imports surge to a 4-month high in November. Refiners rushed to restock after strong consumption during the festive season. Imports of palm oil, soy oil, and sunflower oil rose significantly, indicating robust demand in the world's largest edible oil market. On the export front, Malaysia's palm oil shipments in November are expected to have declined slightly, by 9.3% to 10.4%, according to Cargo Surveyors Intertek Testing Services and EM-Spec Agri Malaysia. Meanwhile, Indonesia, the world's largest producer of palm oil, raised its December crude palm oil reference price to $1,071.67 per metric ton, a significant increase from $961.97 in November. This move has pushed the export tax to $178 per ton, which could influence global trade dynamics and further impact pricing trends. In conclusion, Malaysian CPO futures are benefiting from strong demand and global influences, including India's increased imports and rising prices in Indonesia. However, challenges such as a stronger ringgit and lower Malaysian exports could temper these gains. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mani Guru for more updates and in-depth analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.